So now my handle is painted with some coats of shellac, and I will turn it off. And then we will put the screwdriver together. The handle. So my handle, my ferrule, and my blade for my screwdriver, and now I will put all three parts together. So this is my completed screwdriver, a handle made on my own, a ferrule I made from an old lamp. Well, I can show you. Wait a minute. Yeah, this was my ferrule. And a rod made of stainless steel. And it's a very long one. It's about 53 centimeters long. My sweet little long screwdriver made for Scout Crafters Screwdriver Challenge, and now I will put it into my collection. Here it is. These are all my parts I have made by myself in the past, and I had a lot of fun. So, I hope you enjoyed my little video. Bye bye.